In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to parallax any image in Wix Editor. Parallax scrolling is a fantastic way to add depth and intrigue to your website by animating images in response to scrolling. It creates a dynamic user experience that gives your site a modern look and feel, and we'll be walking you through the steps to achieve this effect seamlessly. Let's start by focusing on the image you want to apply the parallax effect to. Make sure it's already uploaded to your Wix editor. Once you've got your image in front of you, go ahead and click on it to highlight and select it. You'll notice that various options become available on the right-hand side. Now, look carefully at these options and find the icon labeled Animations and Effects. It might look like a small wand or something similar. Give that a click. Upon clicking the Animations and Effects icon, you'll see a variety of effects that you can apply. Our goal today is to focus on the scroll effects, because that's where the parallax magic happens. So, look for a drop-down menu labeled Especially for Scroll Effects and click on it. Within this menu, you'll have different choices driving the scroll behavior, and you'll want to choose Parallax from the list. Now that you've selected the parallax effect, you'll notice there's an option to further tweak this effect by clicking on the Customize button. This is where you can fine-tune the intensity or speed of the parallax animation. Take your time to explore how each adjustment affects the overall movement. Do you want a gentle, almost imperceptible slide, or something more pronounced and dramatic? Adjust the speed slider until the movement feels just right for your design's vision. Once you're satisfied with your customization, you can close out of the menu easily. Now that we've set everything up, a crucial last step is to preview the effect on your website. This gives you a real-time look at how your visitors will experience the parallax scrolling. Although it's a small detail, ensuring everything aligns perfectly in preview mode can make a huge difference in the final presentation. And there you have it, a simple guide to adding a parallax effect to your images in Wix Editor, transforming your site into something extraordinary with just a few clicks. Feel free to experiment with different images and speeds to see what best suits your creative needs. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you find success in making your website come alive with this engaging and modern visual effect. Enjoy exploring and creating.